Hey crafty friends, it's Melinda from mypapercrafting.com, and today I'm going to share with you how I created this pretty card featuring Rinea foiled paper, and more specifically how I created these little rolled roses using the Rinea foil paper. In my demonstration I'm using a strip of red, but you kind of get the idea. And then I created these, and then these are just a smaller version for the little kind of rosebuds, and so that's not on the video. It's just how I actually roll these. And then I used their foiled paper, the black in their Starstruck version for this overlay that I created, and then the silver glossy is behind that. And then of course I used their pink and then the light green, and I think this is called Blush and this is called Sage, and they're both again the Starstruck pattern versus the glossy. And then I created this pretty little emblem. It's kind of hard to see it underneath there, but then I finished it off with some seam binding ribbon and then a sentiment from RG Studio 360. So I'm going to go ahead and play the video of how I assembled it and how I did the flowers. I'll play a little music with that, and then we'll come back. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so here is my finished card, and as you can see, I used the blush paper to make these pinkish roses, and again, the medallion that it sits on, and then this background. And if you want the SVG files, I will leave a link in the video's info section on where you can pick those up, and they'll be free for a limited time. And if you like the video, please take a moment to hit the like button and to subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. And visit me on my blog, mypapercrafting.com, and I will leave links to where you can pick up this beautiful paper from Rinea. And until the next time, you have a wonderfully crafty day.